Mas maraming Canadians at mga bagong dating sa bansa nag-iisip ng iwan ang probinsya nila para lumipat sa mas abot-kayang mga lugar. Ito po ayon sa poll na ginawa ng Angus Reid Institute, patunay na ramdam pa rin ang krisis sa pabahay ngayon. May report si Teresa Redula.
Dumadami na ang mga Canadians at newcomers na pinag-iisipan ng lumipat sa ibang probinsya o ibang bansa. Ito ayon sa survey na inilabas ng Angus Reid Institute Miyerkules.
The place that you thought you would bring peace and happiness becomes a source of burden in you.
Sa mahigit 4,000 tumugon sa poll, 39% ng mga bagong immigrants pinag-iisipan ng lumipat dahil sa housing affordability crisis. Mas mataas kumpara sa mga Canadians na 28%. Ang sentimiento, mas mataas para sa mga taga British Columbia at Ontario na pangunahing destinasyon ngayon ang Alberta. Isa sa kanila ang kababayang ito mula BC. Nakalilipat lang sa Calgary nitong Mayo.
Yung housing cost, it played really a big factor in this decision. As I've said, it's the number one reason kung bakit kami nag-move dito. Kasi with the mortgage interest increasing, your stress level to pay your mortgage increases too. So at the same time, you're always thinking of earning more to cover the higher cost of living. While here in Alberta, specifically here in Calgary, you could get a detached house for as low, probably 600 or 700,000. So there's really that big difference.
Ayon sa Center of Newcomers sa Calgary, sa nakalipas na isang taon, nakatanggap ang kanilang ahensya ng mahigit 50,000 kliyente.
It's not that people are thinking moving, they are moving. And they are coming here.
Kaya naman nagiging hamon na rin daw ang pag-relocate ng marami sa probinsya.
There is a wait list of 2-3 years for affordable housing. And we have not seen that until just recent last, I want to say 3-4 years. If clients are saying that I'm going to be homeless in a week or 2 weeks or end of this month, but our hands are so tight that we cannot give them an option of housing or give them even any resources that the community can support them with.
Anila, bagamat nadadagdagan ng pondo mula provincial at federal governments, hindi raw nito natatapatan ang dami ng mga taong tinatanggap ng Alberta mula ibang probinsya.
The differential support that the federal government is giving to the different provinces is very clearly highly politicized and really does not follow where people are resettling.
Gayunpaman, 53% sa poll ang umaasang bubuti ang kalagayan ng housing affordability sa mga darating na taon. Kabilang dito ang mga umuupa at nagbabayad ng mortgage.
I just hope na mag-stabilize siya. And maybe not just in the housing side, maybe let's say also on the side ng salary of the employees, right?
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.